Let's start with an overview of our objectives. We are going to discuss Microsoft Project and Microsoft Visio and how you, as our partner, can position these solutions for your SMB customers. We'll also dig into the recommended sales plays and revenue opportunities, as well as point you to additional resources you may find useful as you engage with customers. Why are we talking about Project and Visio? There is a great opportunity to tie Project and Visio in with the Microsoft Modern Workplace solutions such as Microsoft 365 and Office 365. As you know, the Microsoft Modern Workplace is designed to deal with evolving business needs, distributed teams, and an increasingly complex threat environment. Teamwork solutions like Project and Visio can help to move your customers further along the modern workplace adoption curve. Customers using on-premise SKUs can potentially benefit from real-time collaboration. Customers who use more basic SKUs, such as Office 365 Business, could benefit from moving to more premium SKUs to realize the full potential of the Microsoft Cloud Platform. Additionally, standalone Project and Visio SKUs are beneficial as they open the door to high-margin value-added services. This is where you can truly put your expertise and differentiation to work. Our approach to strategic selling of Microsoft Project and Microsoft Visio is based on the 4 sales plays. The first sales play is seat expansion. It is relevant for partners with existing Project and Visio Cloud customers who also have Microsoft 365 SKUs. There is room to expand within these accounts and potentially decrease churn. The next sales play is attaching Project and Visio to your existing Microsoft 365 customer base. These customers may be using Microsoft Office applications such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or Planner to handle project management and diagramming functions. The third sales play is to add Project and Visio to new Microsoft 365 or Office 365 sales. The target customer audience includes new Office 365 or Microsoft 365 customers with no cloud or on-premises Project or Visio licenses. Finally, the Cloud Move sales play is about the migration of Project and Visio customers with on-premise licenses to the cloud. This sales play is relevant for partners with existing on-premise customers who might benefit from collaboration scenarios in the cloud or integration with the Microsoft Cloud Platform. As you approach SMB accounts, it's important to have some context about these types of organizations. SMBs are different from enterprise-level organizations, not just in size, but in personnel. Smaller SMBs typically don't have dedicated IT decision makers, so we have to focus our messaging for the sales plays to speak to both business decision maker and IT decision maker roles. There is guidance in the following slides that will help you drive these kinds of discussions. As you begin to discuss Microsoft Project and Microsoft Visio, naturally, your customer will begin to reveal what they know and what they don't know about products like these. Use this information to establish whether you're talking to an expert-level user or someone who is brand new to these kinds of solutions. Finally, let's talk about target customers for CSP pilots. SMBs in the range of 25 to 300 FTEs are the likely targets. Depending on the sales play scenario best suited for your business, you may need to be more specific with targeting. When you get to speak with SMB customers, it's best to first find out who the ITDMs and BDMs are within the company. This may take a bit of digging into an account, but will be well worth your effort based on the collateral at your disposal. Project and Visio discussions should be taking place with the company's BDM or ITDM. In these engagements, The typical BDM will be looking to purchase seats for a team or department or several departments, and will look to evaluate how solutions can be used to enable better collaboration. For ITDMs, they will care about budget and fit with IT infrastructure and solution portfolio. This is where the better together cross-sell motions can benefit you. Finding one or both of these roles within accounts up front will help you close deals quickly. Please keep in mind that you can target multiple BDMs within the same customer account. If you find them, you can deliver product truths and messaging that will resonate and communicate value that matters. Within our focus on messaging to BDMs and ITDMs, it's important to keep in mind the customer's experience with project management and diagramming solutions. Uncovering experience and familiarity with these products, or lack thereof, will inform you how to deliver the most relevant message. Also attached at the bottom of this slide are general topics of interest. These are good to keep in mind as you address the customer's needs in project management and diagramming solutions. The opportunities in front of you with Project and Visio are excellent, and it goes far beyond just one-and-done transactions. There are ways for you to utilize your services to drive substantial revenues in Project and Visio engagements. In addition to the transaction value from complementary solutions, partners can also generate revenue from value-added services such as one-time engagements and recurring services, and IP solutions with Project or Visio embedded in them. The ultimate impact might be an increase in revenue from core cloud solutions due to higher customer retention and a faster upgrade cycle through relationships with business decision makers and IT decision makers. Depending on where your customer is in terms of adoption of Project and Visio, transactional value of Project and Visio license sales will vary. If you are working with a brand new Project and Visio customer, you should expect to sell 3 to 5 seats. If you're working with an existing Project and Visio customer, we anticipate that the total number of Project or Visio licenses your account will have will be up to 8 to 10% of its total headcount. For example, if you are working with an SMB company with 100 employees, you can target 8 to 10 employees. And if you're working with an expanded SMB account of Project and Visio users, the total number of Project or Visio licenses might be up to 20% of total headcount. Below these figures on the slides, you'll see their corresponding sales plays. Make sure to leverage the appropriate sales play messaging in these situations, available on slides later in the deck. This slide provides more details about the maximum capacity of Project or Visio from the previous slide. SMB customers usually buy 1 to 3 seats of Project or Visio initially. 1 seat is sold in the case of a buyer with industry-agnostic functional focus, for example, IT, HR, or finance. Up to 3 in case of core functions such as R&D, product or service delivery, sales and marketing, and support. In that scenario, a small team typically buys several licenses. The seat expansion scenario assumes that all teams representing core functions can benefit from Project or Visio. Employees who are in charge of other industry-agnostic functions can also benefit from using our solutions. If we add it all up, an engagement like this could turn into a 15-seat deal, which is about 20% of the total medium SMB headcount with 60 employees. With the seat expansion sales play, you'll target existing Office 365 and Microsoft 365 customers, as well as existing Project and Visio Cloud customers. These are experienced users who know project management and diagramming tools. Their challenges may involve budgetary limitations and enabling effective teamwork and management. Project and Visio can deliver on these business challenges. Both solutions can be used across departments helping teams work more effectively and collaboratively company-wide. Additionally, leveraging the familiar Office 365 experience and Microsoft Cloud can help to minimize costs of training. New users will be able to get started with Project and Visio by utilizing an interface that has a similar look and feel to their Office 365 apps. And the transaction is just the beginning. You can increase your revenue and margins on Project and Visio deals by providing value-added services to SMB customers. This could be in the form of consulting engagements to maximize productivity with Project and Visio, offering training and adoption services, or even embedding Project and Visio into industry or role-specific applications. These are just some examples of what partners can do. The point is that if you want to drive more than just transactional revenues, you can. Project and Visio sales are really just the beginning for you. Under the attach sales play, the idea here is to target your existing Office 365 or Microsoft 365 customers who don't have any Project or Visio licenses. These may be users who are using applications for project management and visualizations such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, or they may be using competing products. These customers may also be inexperienced with project management and diagramming tools. In this scenario, the customer's challenges may be around driving adoption, security, enabling collaboration, and concerns about user experience. Project and Visio can help resolve these challenges. They both feature the familiar Office 365 interface, which helps new users learn how to navigate the tools quickly. Additionally, Project and Visio can both be accessed via the web, enabling more effective teamwork and collaboration between teams located around the world. And with the Microsoft Cloud, your customers can enjoy better project management and diagramming with enterprise-class data protection and security. You'll see that you can take an attach customer engagement even further in terms of revenue growth by offering value-added services to SMBs. Depending on your competencies and available services, the opportunity is there to generate additional revenue from configuration services, user training, and outsourced staff, and packaging industry-specific solutions. The sales play customer ads targets new Office 365 or Microsoft 365 customers who currently have no Project or Visio licenses of any kind. Here, the thinking is that these customers will have very little knowledge or experience when it comes to Project and Visio or similar tools. In this scenario, the customer's challenges most likely lie in budgetary constraints, enabling remote collaboration, and finding tools that are user-friendly. Project and Visio can deliver on these business challenges. Project and Visio in the cloud enable effective teamwork and collaboration. They also feature the familiar Office experience and interface that customers are familiar with, reducing the time it takes to start effectively using the solution. And with access via the web, teams around the world can use Project and Visio to get their work done. Not only is there great transactional revenue from these engagements, but the opportunity to bring in value-added services is there. The list of potential value-added services is very similar to that for the attach play. Looking at the Cloud Move sales play, you should target Project and Visio customers using on-premises SKUs. Here, you'll be working with users experienced in project management and diagramming tools. Their challenges at the moment will likely be security of solutions in the cloud and enabling collaboration scenarios in the cloud. With Project and Visio, on-premises users can do more with the cloud SKUs. Utilizing Microsoft's leading cloud security, SMBs can use Project and Visio in the cloud safely and securely. Teamwork is made better as well. With Project and Visio accessible via the web, users can work from anywhere at any time to get their work done. Integration with other Microsoft solutions like Teams takes collaboration to the next level with real-time commenting and editing from within the Teams app. Not only is there great transactional revenue from these engagements, but the opportunity to bring in value-added services is there. The list of potential value-added services is very similar to that for the attached play. We encourage your customers to actively engage with Project through any of the options listed on this slide. Most importantly, point them to the 30-day free trial of Project Plan 3. We also encourage your customers to actively engage with Visio through any of the options on this slide. Most importantly, point them to the 30-day free trial of Visio Plan 2. Plan 2 will include all the features in this deck once they are released. There are many assets available to you to assist in engaging SMBs. In addition to these Listen and Learn Sales Playbook series for our CSP partners, we also provide partner-ready marketing assets and materials to leverage in the sales process.